Welcome to another edition of Mystic Maverick. Today we are going to go for a lake boat ride within Dhaka city. So this is Hatirjheel, at the entrance of Hatirjheel, just after the Film Development Corporation, the FDC. So you can see boats all around me, and we are going to take a boat ride from Hatirjheel to Gulshan 1. So for a few years this has become a very popular ride for people who want to take an alternative transport to Gulshan, Rampura, or the police plaza, which is at the entrance of Gulshan 1. So apart from transport, many people usually come here in the evening, especially like a rain-drenched afternoon like this, for a pleasant boat ride, and they come back. So it's not necessarily that they are going somewhere. It's actually sometimes for a pleasant ride. And just over there you can see a restaurant. So it can be a small family outing. You can have refreshment at the restaurants. You can buy tickets. The ticket counter is over there, and the tickets cost between Taka 30 and Taka 10. To Gulshan, which is the farthest point, it's Taka 30. To Rampura, it's Taka 20. And to the police plaza, it's also Taka 20. So there's another boat just in front of you. This is possibly out of commission at the moment. It's not being used. And over there you can see people waiting for another boat to arrive, just like we are waiting. Some young lads waiting in front, all of them wearing masks. So people are maintaining social distancing here. And on a lovely, absolutely marvelous, cloudy afternoon like this, it is actually a rejuvenating and reinvigorating experience to take a boat ride on this lake. So just to give you a little background on Hatirjheel, about 25 to 30 years ago, these were all swamplands, and then they were renovated and restored, and you can see a large lake here. So in addition to creating a natural spot within Dhaka city, this also provides an alternative transport for people who are willing to go from this part of town to the other part, especially to Gulshan and Rampura. Anyway, so we are waiting for our boat, and I'll catch you later in the boat. Thanks. Hello, so we are on the boat at the moment. We're heading towards Gulshan, and people are maintaining social distancing. You can see the seats are empty. So we'll start in a few moments. So we are on our way. You can see spectacular view to our left and right. It's hard to see such greenery within Dhaka city, and greenery along with water. So regarding the safety features, we've got live buoys here and live jackets above of each and every seat. So safety features are followed. You can see hundreds of people have thronged to the sides, enjoying the twilight, especially on rain-drenched afternoons. People come here to savor the natural beauty. There's another launch boat just ahead of us, which is heading towards Rampura, and we're heading towards Gulshan 1, and it is absolutely magical. totally magnificent. It's hard to believe that you're in the middle of Dhaka city, and there are cars on the sides. You can see the Hatirjheel road, the very busy Hatirjheel road. No wonder people prefer the launch, this boat, to cars, because while it takes you to your destination, it also gives you a chance to savor the nature, especially in the afternoons and in the twilights. So that's the end of our journey here. So it took us about 15 to 20 minutes to come to our destination. It's still twilight, absolutely magnificent atmosphere. So let's say if you're caught in traffic and you're looking for a different option, then you can take the boat to come to Gulshan, since Gulshan is currently the commercial hub. That's for work. But let's say on a holiday you're looking for an adventure and some water and open sky and maybe a light breeze in the afternoon, then you can take the boat for a pleasure ride. You can come and then you can have both way tickets, a return ticket, and you can go back. So that's about half an hour to 40 minutes boat ride. I think for 60 taka or about 100 taka, it's worth it. It's quite affordable. So that's all from this version of Mystic Maverick. Please subscribe my channel, and I will catch you next time with another adventure in Mystic Maverick. Till then, it's bye bye from me. See you later.